Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, we need to press and hold the crown button and keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds, basically until we see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the crown button, keep holding it. And when you see HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the button. And now let's wait until the watch is done rebooting. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.